All right. And we're live. We are live.
What's up, everybody?
What's good? What's going on? Come on into the chat. Say what's good. Hang out with me and Brian. If you guys don't know Brian, you're gonna learn Brian. Oh, I was just fucking tired. Yes, back on X. Sick. There's J Balls. I knew he would confirm if my X was working.
He's right on it.
I had to pay for premium, and I used to have it. I used to have like a free premium thing, but I didn't have it anymore for some reason. So I was like, oh shit. So yesterday in the morning, I didn't even realize that, and that's why I couldn't go live on X.
Oh, it didn't let you go to like multiple destinations?
Yeah, that's what's cool. You can do multiple destinations, which is pretty rad. Just getting situated here. Give me 1 sec, guys. We're not trading the open anyway, so it doesn't even matter, okay? It doesn't even matter. There's no rush, right? There's no rush.
None at all. This year, I'm not trading the open at all.
Like same. I'm trying to fucking commit to that shit, dude. Same.
Yeah, like at least 15, 20 minutes just sitting and observing.
Yep.
Maybe 30. Like I was looking at my data, and a lot of my best trades come after 10.
Yep.
So that first 30 minutes is like just a war zone.
It is just a war zone. And it's like, again, like I've said, of course, there's times where you get away with it. You're like, oh, dude, I love trading the open. But then you just end up either still fucking it up, or I noticed for me, it's insane, dude. Like if I hit like a killer trade within like 2 to 3 minutes off the open, and I'm like, oh, cool, there's my profit goal, I feel like I didn't do anything. And then like I'm like, well, maybe I can look for one more trade. At the time I normally look for a trade, and then you just, that's already irrational. You're over trading. I'm just doing something stupid. So I'm like, okay, that's not correct.
Yeah, at that point the greed just kind of steps in and there's not enough left.
Exactly. So just getting my prior day low and prior day high set here on spying cues, and then we'll go over what we're looking at for today. I think today's gonna be pretty slow. We don't have any news today, and there's a bunch of news coming tomorrow, I think.
Yeah. I think on Forex Factory, it's actually blank today.
Yeah, exactly. So
yeah, no red folder at all. We have ADP tomorrow, and Jolt's job is at 10.
Yeah, exactly. Not ideal. Okay. So good morning. Let's do the damn thing. Where is my screen? Okay, so today, one big thing I'm focused on is daily chart. Whoa, let's fix this. Auto. Okay. So this near-term view pocket shifted also. I need to fix this and change this, get rid of it. I guess level though. Actually, I might keep it. Double inside day, right? So this was the massive key support level. Yesterday's just an inside day. Today we're still in an inside day. The rule with inside days is you want to look for which side we break, either high or low, and trade probably the continuation, or if it barely pins above and then like kind of instantly comes back in and traps, you can go ahead and try to trade it the other way. So that's kind of like the scenario I'm watching today. So obviously we're in the middle of all of that. It's super low quality. I do have near-term volume point of control, which has shifted on my screen to, what was it exactly? I think it was 588 on NQ. Let's see. Okay, yeah, 25,588. So I'll draw this level here so you guys kind of know what I'm looking at. And it happens to be like massive support and a sweep right here. We'll go like this. Boom. We'll extend her across a bit more. So this is my near-term VPOC right now. This is kind of my main focus. Because basically, I kind of want to buy anything that comes down into here, but zoom out. Let's go to a 30. Like if we end up dumping below this and come somewhere around here, like 560s, I still would look to buy this because overnight, this was just a sweep of all this liquidity that reclaimed.
Yeah.
And now we're retesting 650s. I don't even know if we're going to get it. They might just run through 650s and go to prior day high. Like we gotta kind of wait and see. But pretty much like this is the classic, like support is support till it's no longer support. I traded this support last night actually in Asia and caught this bounce here up into 600s. But again, near-term volume point of control, it's kind of my only reference point I have today. And again, I like this little sweep down lower. This just tells me that buyers stepped in. They want to kind of keep it elevated. So anything that potentially trades into here, I'm probably going to want to buy it. But the fact that we're pushing straight up at the open, this looks like it just kind of wants to go towards prior day high. So we might not even get it. Have to like kind of wait and see. Other markets wise, YM ripped yesterday. It's kind of opening mid-range. Not a lot to work with there. RTY, interesting, is like semi-weak, but nothing like crazy weak. So that's kind of notable.
ES looks like it's gonna rally a bit.
Yeah, you're the ES man. What's your view on ES today?
So we got two scenarios. If price can't hold above 69.50, that's going to create a lower high on the hourly chart, and then we're probably going to dump back towards yesterday's high, yesterday's low at 69.3275.
Okay.
And then probably down to 6,900 psych level. But if we hold here at the open above 69.50, it's going to make an attempt for yesterday's high around 69.63, and then probably continue higher. But if it sweeps the highs, we're coming back down to yesterday's low.
Okay. I like it. It's good. Yeah, it's very similar to NQ. Very, very similar. And again, this is why. What up?
I said we're like in the exact same spot on NQ and ES. It's pretty much identical.
Yeah, exactly. Jay Bull's in the chat. He'll be your ES buddy. Jay trades SPY all the time.
I like that to 6,900.
Mm-hmm.
I could see that happening. Once we take out yesterday's low, I could see it happening.
Yeah. Okay. Let's see. Decent rejection here. Decent rejection here.
I'm going to throw a link on my story.
Yeah, do it. I don't know if you have the YouTube link either, and you can throw it in the Discord because George was asking for it.
Yeah, here, let me.
That'd be great. Thank you. RTY is RTY. I like this for a breakout continuation. I do. Big picture. I feel like RTY is going to break out this year and kind of go. It's been up in this resistance area forever. Like a long ass time. Long ass time. Let's see. Sometimes I don't even want to trade NQ, bro. I swear.
That's how I feel about ES. Like I'm watching like silver, gold.
I know, dude. Silver's been ripping, bro.
We're sitting here trading this chop and this mess.
Look at this shit, dude. This is actually pretty clean price action. Once this daily bar pinned below here, it's just a matter of time before it gets magneted back up towards 80, which is like literally happening as we speak. Crazy. Just a matter of time. Have you ever traded silver?
I experimented with it, but it's just not for me.
Dude, like silver, the micros move like NQ, and then the full silver contract SI, it's like insane. They're like really, really expensive and like big moves. I'm like, oh shit. Okay, we're actually starting to get some turn here. This is really interesting. It's a nice, really ugly overshoot. Let's see if we can get VPOC here. If we can get VPOC or anything again down in this zone, I'm going to be kind of interested in this. Down into VWAP. I'd love to see a, what time is it? 6:41.
You're gonna wait until at least 6:45?
Yeah, at least. I mean, like, I like us pinning VWAP here, but I don't like how we just pinned. So it's like, it's not my favorite long now. Honestly, this is kind of ugly structure-wise. And I'm a little worried. Like, I want to see this sweep here. And then, like, again, I want to see something hold down here. But now this hourly is looking pretty ugly. If the hourly...
This is the pullback to VWAP, though, for you.
I know, this is the pullback to VWAP. This could be just like yesterday, almost same fucking time. But it's, like, too early for me. I'm listening to my rules. I'm listening to my rules. And being patient. I feel like we're going to keep dumping. It's decently heavy still. Q's coming into their 21 period daily moving averages. Ooh, and I got a confluence there for that. Wow. Okay. Very interesting here. Very interesting.
If we get back above 69.50 on ES, a
Mm-hmm.
long looks good.
Yeah.
This will be a sweep of that psych level.
Yeah. Yeah, I could see that on the 5 minute too. If 5 minute closes and then we start pushing back above.
Yeah.
Could be decent. Could be very decent. Let's see. Patience pays. At least that's what they say. Right?
They say, but then you watch everything rip without you.
They say that in the movies. Patience pays. All right, how we doing, chat? Fit, what's good, bro? What's the social links? At the Strong Trader for everything for me, and then Brian's
The real me, William.
The real. You can throw it in the chat if you want, Brian. 1 hour resistance and NQ rejecting now. Too early to say it's pull active VWAP. Yeah, I don't like how early it is for pull active VWAP as well. Correct.
How do I even do that? Throw it in the chat here.
In the comments on StreamYard, you can do it.
I'll see. It won't let me connect my YouTube. So I can't.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Can't throw it in the chat. It's simple, guys. It's the real B William. That's it. Spelled out exactly like that.
The real B. There you go. I put it. Brian social. Well, I guess that pullback to VWAP. Jay Bulls, you were wrong, bro. Look at this bounce. You were incorrect. This is my setup, and you made me miss it. No, I'm just kidding. You didn't make me miss it.
This is actually a good bounce on the.
This is exactly like yesterday, though, dude. Same fucking time. 10 minutes into the open, pulls back to VWAP sharply, bounces. Do it 2 days in a row on me, and then I'm gonna like start questioning every pullback and be like, oh, this is, you know, it's kind of annoying.
It is a bit early though. Still,
I know. I'm not like a huge fan of. I mean, it did what it was supposed to do for pullback to VWAP, but
for the sweep of this psych, it looks good.
Yeah, but I mean, we'll sit and wait. So far, we're getting divergence here on RTY a little bit. RTY is kind of interesting.
No, this is where ES had resistance yesterday, around 69.54. After I had like literally right at my target, that's when it started slowing. But this does look real good.
It's hard to believe that it's gonna go lower now.
I don't think it'll go lower. At least not immediately. If we fill this opening range high, the 15-minute opening range, then I can maybe see it's like, okay, we'll probably go lower.
I have one more level on on cues right here. Okay, here's prior to high.
Oh yeah, we're going for it.
Okay. There's my pullback to VWAP. That was the best setup.
Yeah.
It always fucking works, bro. Always works. I do like this RTY a lot. It's decent. But I also like does this pin here? I like RTY, bro. I really do.
How does it look?
It's not bad. We just pull back to VWAP really nice here. You could probably get long.
It looks like it's set enough for a 3-bar play to the upside on the 3-minute chart.
Yeah,
that looks good.
Target this liquidity at 65, 52. It's like a 1-to-1.
If we get a pullback on ES to retest this cycle, I'll get it wrong.
Well, here's prior day high. Here's that scenario I was talking about. Like, do we barely peak above it? Or, I mean, at this rate, we're just fucking going, dude.
We'll get a pullback.
I know. Let's be patient. Let's see.
The area I'm going to get in is at 69.53. If I can get anywhere near 69.53, I'll probably get in.
Okay. Here's the sweep of the daily high here. I might try this short, dude, honestly. I think I'm going to try this short.
Order filled.
Just
like really, really tight. I might stop here at 26. I just like the potential overshoot idea.
I could see that. I could see it definitely just overshooting.
Yeah, and we just tested prior day high for SPY. Let's see if this can follow through. And give us, it'd be crazy if this would give us a move down to VPOC here. Something like that. That would be wild. Let's try it. Let's see. So far, decent rejection. Very decent rejection.
I can see that working out for you, but I'm still gonna go long if we get.
No, for sure. Yeah, follow your system. I mean, dude, this might just pull back and pin and fucking keep going. It's totally could not work. Need to stay below 700s and prior day high. But it was a okay. I just got almost fucking. What the fuck was that, bro?
Whoa. Huge spike.
Huge spike, bro. What is that?
Bro, nothing even came up on the DOM. Actually, it did. Bro, like 1,000 orders were just placed. Like, no, like 3,000 orders were just placed between 57 and 58.
That was. See, those type of moves, though, that are really aggressive like that, those feel like FOMO moves.
Yeah, they're definitely trying to get you to jump in.
Yeah, like that felt like a FOMO move. So I'm like, now.
I think you're good, though.
I don't know. I don't know, bro.
I think you're good. I feel like everyone is going to chase that. But then we
blame them, bro. I would chase it too. Fuck, bro. It's going to take me out. Look at this. Look at this edging.
Order filled.
Yeah, it took me out. That was fucking insane, dude. I keep getting like super good reactions initially, and then like just fucking wiped, dude.
That is unfortunate. This was the scenario I was looking for, above 69.50 to target yesterday's high, and now we're breaking above it.
I know. I mean, it's just fucking going.
Yeah, no pullback whatsoever. That 2 minutes of pullback was just
that felt so fake. That's a big dog doing something though, for sure. That's what that
Yeah,
is.
a bunch of orders were put in, like a ridiculous amount in less than a minute.
That was retarded. All right, I think I might just honestly go long on RTY and just fucking go for it.
You're gonna go for it right here.
Yeah, I mean RTY is like my favorite of the bunch for bigger picture continuation. It's pulling back right now into VWAP. See if we get one more pullback into VWAP here, and I'm gonna go long on it potentially. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna go long here on RTY.
Order filled.
This is too far overextended on ES for me to do anything. I kind of gotta sit.
My stop way down there. Let's see if this can work. Yeah, no, good job of just sitting for sure on ES.
I just want to retest. I just want a retest of opening range high. If we can get a retest of opening range high anywhere in that area, I will get long. But if we don't get it, I'll just sit on my hands.
Yeah.
That's a good entry for you though on RTY.
Yeah, it's decent here. I like this. This hopefully should hold for me.
Your stop at that extreme though?
Yeah. I know. I feel like it should be down. It should always be like low a day. I'm just gonna risk
that's what I was thinking. I'm not thinking how to trade.
Risk it to low a day. It's like this will be my only other trade I can take anyways. So fuck it.
Because on ES, that's what I'm looking for. If we can get a retest of opening range high, I'll get long, stop loss at low a day.
Mm-hmm.
If I'm wrong there, I'll be done and I'll move on.
Okay. I like it.
If we can get it though. Right now, it doesn't look like I'm getting anything.
I know this shit is just fucking straight up.
RTY doesn't affect ES at all.
Nah, not really. RTY is just like its own beast, dude. I mean, usually it'll follow suit with the market. I want to see a break of yesterday's high. I want to see like up into here, bro. Something like that. This is a long ways to go.
You can get it though.
I know.
Because it looks like once it starts running, it'll keep going.
Yeah, I'm just worried today's gonna be an inside day. A little pause bar on it. It's the only thing I'm worried about.
There's no overhead resistance on ES up until 7,000 psych.
Let her run. Let her run.
If we get any pullback, would be good.
Wish I could add size here. I can't on this live account. I only can trade one fucking contract, which is unfortunate.
Is that the fulls?
Order rejected.
Yeah. What's up?
Is that the full size or is that like a micro?
Yeah, it's just a full. Only thing I could trade is one full contract on the live account, on any name. So it's like it just depends how fast the name moves. That's what's like unfortunate. So. We'll see. So far, it's just pinning into VWAP and holding for RTY. This isn't bad. Jay says, seems like our levels in ES are very similar, Brian. Yep. KB in the house. What's good, KB?
Yeah, we're watching the same levels, Jay. I only use Friday high, Friday low, few daily pivots, and psychological levels. That's all I use.
Mm-hmm. NQ's strong, dude.
Everything is strong right now.
Except this RTY. Not that strong, honestly. But I liked how he swept this and held initially. I like my stop at this extreme. I'm just going to let this trade, bro.
Yeah, no, you're in a very good spot right now.
Yeah. Let the damn thing trade.
I'm like so tempted to just get in on ES because I feel like it's just going to rip to 6,000 to 7,000.
Yeah, don't FOMO it, I feel like.
I just need a pause bar, something I can anchor my risk on.
Yep,
On the
exactly.
5 minutes. If I can get something to anchor my risk on the 5 minutes, I'll get in long.
Yeah.
Ideally, I want the pullback to opening range 69.50 area. But without that, pullback with a 3-bar play, anything.
Uh-huh.
We got 10 a.m. coming up, so something's gonna happen.
Something. Jay says kiss. Keep it simple, stupid. Very true. Let's see.
They will get a 5-minute retrace. That's what I'm waiting on, Jay. I'm waiting on that 5-minute retrace. Something. I don't mind getting in at the highs, but I only want to get in at the highs if we get a pullback and then continue. Then I'll get in at the highs.
Yep, for sure.
But this hourly candle on ES is ridiculous.
It's just a ripper.
Yeah.
Dude, this RTY might not work.
Why is that the only one that's like lagging?
I don't know. You said it might need a pause bar today. That's what I'm worried about.
Yeah, Jay, 69.60 retest would definitely be solid. That's the bottom of this 5-minute candle.
This might want to come down towards 40s, bro. Honestly, I think this is going to come down towards 40s if we lose too much of this.
I think you're good.
This is too heavy, bro. I don't really like this.
How does the hourly chart look?
The hourly is not terrible. This bar is like really going to be determined. It's just going to be a doji so far. You know?
No, your stop is in a great spot.
Yeah, my stop's in a good spot. It is. It is in a good spot. It is. It is in a good spot. The 5-minute just looks super heavy here, and I don't like it, but we'll see.
I think you're good.
We shall see.
ES is just sending to the moon.
NQ seeking out 25,800. Yeah, it could be. There's some sort of ding. Who was that? You or me? It was me. Baidu.
I hope it wasn't me. I don't have any
Baidu's
positions or alerts.
That was me. That was me, my friend.
You ever get those ghost dings on Thinkorswim from like that chart you looked at 3 months ago, and then it finally hit the alert you set?
Yeah, like,
you already forgot about the trade.
Yep. Oh yeah, I have tons of those, dude.
I make it a habit now to check. I check my alerts and I'll clear it. Like if I'm not actively in anything, I'll make sure I clear it.
Dude, look at this hourly on silver. Shayna said in the chat, this shit's
just to the moon.
Yep, there's the 80 we just talked about, right through 80. Oh, this thing is just fucking sprinting. Okay, now RTY looks much better. If we can get a close. Decent 5 here. Spoke too soon. Look at that instant dump.
But those are really good wicks, though.
Yeah, they are good wicks. They are
great wicks. Even if it pulls back, I wouldn't be worried unless it took out that last wick. Then it would be like, okay, maybe you have something to worry about. But as long as it stays above, what is that?
Yeah.
I can't see that on. Well, what is the low of that wick?
The low of this, what, this one right here?
Just the prior, yeah.
Yeah, 54s.
Yeah, as long as it stays above 54s, you're driver's seat.
I know. I kind of want to take this on my TPT account too. It's a little something. A little
Just
something.
Full send on TBT?
What's up?
Full send on TBT?
No, not full send. I'd probably go pretty light on this. What are we on? Are we on the H contract? We are on the H contract.
Yeah. And
right.
that was the play for ES, man.
Beautiful.
This thing is what? 20 points higher.
Let's see.
At least I have an hourly candle to work with now. So what? Top of this.
Alrighty. See what happens here. Let's see what happens here. $59. Okay. Definitely a lot of tails, but I mean this thing is just breaking out and kind of starting to go. So
I think you're good. I think it's just gonna rip. I don't see
yeah,
why it could pull
all
back.
these tails are convincing. I do like how
Yeah.
much it's holding. It's just ugly and slow. Not my favorite of what I want to see, but it is doing like what it should, I guess, ultimately. So there's that.
It's like a lot of buying is just coming in right now.
Yeah.
It's like nonstop buying.
Mm-hmm. Decent. Here, let's go push through these highs. Give me a rip stick, dude. Give me a rip stick.
Yeah, you're about to get it. It takes that high, it's gone.
Looking decent. Looking decent. Fucking go. Fucking go. I wish I had more size on this, dude. I wish I had more size on this. Let's get some dopamine dings going, dude.
You set your alerts?
Yeah.
When I enter, I'm gonna set some alerts soon.
Yeah.
If I can get an entry. Sheesh.
Is something. So far, so good. I don't know how high this is going to go, but it'd be really nice if it goes through yesterday's high.
Where's yesterday's high on RTY?
It is way up here, 70s. I mean, my target is even higher than that, 77. I got some ways to go. But now this hourly looks dank, filling this this wick.
Yeah, that hourly's gone.
Yeah. Looks real good.
That's actually setting up how ES set up. A couple lower highs, and then we just shot straight up.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, if it takes out that first lower high wick to the left, it's gone.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we're finally getting some pullback on ES. Now, where would I get it?
Decent. How we doing, chat? What's good? What's going on? Thank you guys for the lives. Missed them in the AM. Tanner, your questioning on Age of Session is fired. Oh, or your questing on Age of Session is fired. Thank you. Age of Side Quest. Age of Side Quest.
You ever thought about streaming those?
No, I don't want to stream those, dude. That's just me in like gremlin mode. Like, here we go. I don't need to stream that.
What time of day is that for you?
It's not bad. It's literally 3 p.m., 4 o'clock.
Oh, that's not bad at all.
Yeah, it's not bad. But it's like either like it's like right before calls or right after calls, after me lifting. Like it's
a high.
And usually I kind of just like set and forget. I don't really look, and I'm just like, all right, like let's move on now, type of deal. So
with the way this came straight up, I'm almost tempted to take a short.
I don't blame you. I mean, or it could be one of those days too where it just fucking just goes. You know, sometimes that just happens. That pullback to VWAP, that 2 days in a row, dude. Like, oh, here we go. Big push in RTY. Nice.
Yeah,
Let's
RTY.
go. Fucking go. Let's fucking go.
Damn, man, there's nothing for me here.
Oh, this thing is fucking going now. Let's go through prior day high. Let's rip stick, dude. Give me some crazy move on this shit, bro. Since I sat through all that consolidation, now just give me the continuation. Dude, this is nice.
It's dopamine ding.
Dopamine dings, bro. Dopamine dings. Here comes my target on Take Profit Trader.
Oh, you sent it on there?
Yeah, for my $10,000 day because I did 8,500 last night on it.
Sheesh.
Let's get it. Come on, keep pushing, keep fucking ripping, dude. Rip stick. We just ripped through this liquidity here. Do they just hold it and just continue to drag it up? That's what I want to see. That is what I want to see, my friends.
Yeah, Jay, that's what I'm thinking too. There's no resistance above right now. We could just keep sending it on SPY.
Yeah, it could be one of those days, dude, where it just keeps going and everyone's looking for the pullback or trying to short and it just doesn't. And then,
well, I'm definitely not shorting it. I can tell you that.
Yeah,
not with this much buying pressure.
Definitely not shorting it.
Yeah, I'm definitely not shorting it. I know that for sure. I would rather get in a long and be wrong on my long than take a short.
I feel you.
Even 1 5-minute pullback is.
But regardless, this is really good discipline for you, just to sit here and watch and not like feel some type of like. I'm sure you feel a little bit of some type of way, but nothing crazy.
Oh, I feel it.
Oh, I feel it. Oh, I feel it.
I promise you, I feel it. Like I seen it at 69.53. I seen it, and I'm like, this is the setup. And then it sent, and then it sent so fast I couldn't get involved. And then I was like,
yeah,
if it comes down the back to 53, maybe I'll get in. Yeah. Never came back down. It said bye. It shot the peace sign up and just went.
Yeah, dude, look at this 5-minute, bro. This is so nice on RTY. Just going.
Yeah, RTY is going, man. You're definitely getting priority high. Easy.
I hope. Here's a decent pullback in ES, and we're getting the pullback in NQ now. This could be the divergence where RTY now already went through its mess, and then it starts to just go versus everything else kind of turns around, you know?
The best entry now for ES is near yesterday's high. That's around 63. If we can get near 63, I wouldn't be bad. I wouldn't be mad to take an entry there.
Yeah.
That's a good level to hold. Stop loss. Opening range high. Was that about 10 points? That's not bad. If I can get that, that wouldn't be bad.
Come on, one more push on RTY here to fill me on my TPT. We're almost there.
Scale out some, if anything.
Nah.
No?
Nah. I'm already up so fat on this, it doesn't matter. I'm just going to let it go. And this is a really nice 5-minute bar. It's just pushing. It's just pushing, bro. Maybe one more extendo clip here. There we go. Keep pushing. Almost there. Super close. Just go straight to 70s. Go straight to 70s, bro. Just do it.
These buyers are not giving an inch on ES.
I know. They're saying strong.
They're not giving an inch. They're holding that 9 a.m. high as if their life depended on it right now.
It does. Yeah, a little pullback here. I don't like when it overshoots and then pulls back. It's not my favorite. So far, there's no reason to worry about this at all. Damn, ES is really strong, dude. Look at it.
Bro.
It's probably gonna wick fill this 5 minute.
Bro, it's freaking gone. I mean, this would be a great hourly continuation play right here, but I don't want to have what would this be? A 30-point stop loss.
Yeah, it's
for that
massive.
hourly count. Like, I don't want that right now.
If you get a pullback into you got prior day high and SPY VWAP if you get the pullback into there.
Yeah, if we can get priority high, I'll get in.
Yeah.
But I'm not interested in a 30-point stop loss on this hourly chart.
Yeah.
Even though this would be a great trade setup.
Yeah.
That's pretty much asking for me to sit in this all day.
Yeah. No, thank you.
Just to get a 1-to-1, because
No, thank you.
Yeah. Target would have if I got in here, target would have to be 7,000 psych. Like that's it. That would be the only reasonable target.
Yeah.
But if we get a good pullback to 63 area, stop loss at 54, then I only got to aim for about 84, 85.
Yeah. Let's go. I'm so close to my TPT account to take profit.
Is it gonna auto lock you out when you hit 10,000?
No, I put it right under 10,000 because then they auto move you to the live account, and I don't even want that. I just want to fucking pull out the money. Like,
oh really? If you hit a $10,000 day, they just move you straight to the live account.
Yeah, move you straight to live, and they keep 4,500 as a buffer. Like they save it for them. But I just want to take all the money out. I don't even care. It's like my side quest account anyways that I just fuck around on. So it's like I just don't even. Okay, I'm about to take this. This is super close. One more push. 68 here. Oh my god, I'm one tick away.
Damn, ES just gone. They're taking that whole wick.
Thing is fucking going. Keep going. Keep going.
It's going, my friend.
I took that.
You took it?
Yeah. It was one. I was one tick away. But
great trade.
Yeah.
Great trade.
96.50 on my TPT account. Crazy.
That's a way to start the year.
That's a way to start it, baby. That's a way to start it. I want to make sure everything is closed out of this. Exit all positions and cancel. Okay, cool. Even though it's probably going to hit right here, right now. Look at, there's my 3, 68, 68. Yep, I would have just hit. I bitched it.
Yeah, but tick, come on.
I know, I'm just kidding.
Like, what is it? Don't be a dick for a tick.
A dick for a tick. Okay, cool. All those positions are closed out. This is a nice move here. Nice move here. RTY, baby. Look at this fucking, look at this thing.
Straight sending the shit.
That hourly, it'd be extreme, like you talked about. Thanks for making me look over at the hourly chart. I appreciate you for that. Because when I look at the hourly chart now, like the little sweep here that held, I'm like, oh yeah, put the stop there. It shouldn't break that, and just let it fucking trade.
And you got in at a good entry. So yeah. Since if you would have got in at the top of the hourly, it would have been a bad risk reward.
For sure.
But
yeah.
Where you got in on that pullback,
messy pullback.
Like
yeah. Absolutely.
That's my problem right now with ES. It's like I can get in here, but it's just so far gone. This shit is like ugly.
Dude, every bar is green. It's yeah. I don't
nothing to do.
You're smart. There's literally nothing to do. You're being tested, and you're winning the test. So it just is what it is.
The issue with like days like this is like now there needs to be a period of consolidation, even when we get that pullback. It's not gonna pull back and just go straight up.
Yeah.
Come on, ES. I have been patient.
I have been patient.
I have been patient.
I
have
am patient.
I have respected your levels.
Mhm. I think I will go to break even now though on this.
Oh yeah, for sure. Hell yeah.
At the base of this hourly bar, if this turns around for whatever reason, it comes back. I just don't see.
What R multiple are you at right now?
Well, originally this was what is that? 3-1, basically.
You're at 3-1 right now.
Oh no, I'm at 2-1.
Yeah, hell yeah. Go to break even.
Yeah. I mean, for me, it's just a visual thing. I'm just like, yeah, we probably shouldn't come back down below this type of deal, you know.
I mean, even if it does, at that point, do you want to go green to red?
No, you're right. You're right. You're right. You're right. Talk me off the cliff. Look at this thing, super close to the prior day high. Very, very close. See, it's a good target though on this daily. Look at this liquidity on the daily I'm seeking out.
Yeah, no, that you'll get that. Especially we've already broken that lower high.
Mm-hmm.
That kind of formed right before that.
Mm-hmm.
Or right after that.
Mm-hmm.
It looks good.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Damn, is ES really just gonna run to 7,000?
Dude, it might. Like, it's just one of those days. Like,
it looks like it's just gonna go.
It looks like it's one of those days. 2 days in a row, really good pullbacks to VWAP. In the first 10 minutes.
See, now my thing is
40 both days.
My thing is, what do you think about like a standard stop and TP on a day like this?
Standard stop, elaborate.
Like, let's say a 1-to-1, 10-point risk, 10-point target, just smack dab at like 69.70 if we get a pullback, because that's a 9 a.m. high. Under.
See, a day like this, it just rips straight up.
Yeah,
I honestly think these days are the hardest because these are like the days I would get run over on a day like this for sure. Like trying to short it. Because again, I just need structure. I need something to work with. That's the only way I can do it. If I don't have something to work with, like it's just I can't do it. I need my sidewalk, you know? So
how does the 15-minute chart look? Nothing but green on the 15 minutes.
how much can I pull out from this?
Everything.
Well, let's see, because it's 4,500 minus 95 or 9,600 was what I made on the account. 5,100. 5,100 times 0.8, 4,080. And then if I close the account, it's another, you only get 50% of that 4,500. That's plus 2,250. 6,330.
So you're gonna close the account though? But then you're gonna have to buy it back. You want to use it again?
I know, but I've just been through this so many times, dude. Like for me,
do you have extras?
No, this is my last one.
It's your last one, your last reset?
Yeah. And I think I'm just going to go out and just close it and just take the money, bro. Like it's just, I want to start off the year with a nice W like that. I think it's a smart thing to do.
Yeah.
And I have 5 accounts with Lucid right now that I'm going to be trading Asia with, but they're all going to be their consistency rules straight to funded. But like, if I can just sim farm those, I'm going to take $15,000 payouts. So I think I'm just going to do that. Yeah. Yeah. So RTY with the ugly bar here.
The 15-minute chart on SPY is starting to look good. Because if we get a pullback here, I would only need one candle, one 15-minute candle. This one, it'd be a good tight risk at 69, around 68. 68. Wait. Let me do it the right way.
ugly pullback. Yeah, how's your ES looking?
This is the pullback I was waiting for.
Okay.
This is it.
And I wonder, it's two scenarios. Does it pull back and barely give you like a small pullback to get involved with? Or do we get a deeper pullback and then it actually just keeps pulling back and pulling back? Traps everyone.
I could see that, but I definitely don't see us giving up this entire day's move.
No.
This is too aggressive on the buying side, especially like looking at the histogram. There are a lot of areas of like where it's spiked. Like there are going to be guys defending the 57s.
Mm-hmm.
There are already guys right now defending the 70s. So like this is actually a good area to get in long.
Well, this is like you know what's okay, you're just really interesting. Those little things you see on the tape. Like how remember how we were like, whoa, what the fuck was that? Like around like 15 minutes in, 20 minutes in, when I tried to take the short and then like it was looking good, and then all of a sudden it just spiked. Those are big dogs stepping in, like turning on buying programs. It's like that's actually what that is on the tape. And it's hard because in the moment, I think there's two ways to look at that. Is sometimes they are just like fake one more type of push, but it's actually usually on like the up thrust, right? You'll see like a big up thrust through a level and everyone's like, oh shit, they're they're chasing a breakout, they're breaking it out. But that's actually like a failed attempt to go higher. And it's like the final up thrust, or in the very rare circumstance that happened today, it was on the pullback, and in the deep pullback, then they turned on the buying program and it started to rip.
Yeah.
So it's like, but those are subtle little things. This is like stuff on the tape. Just like how you said you could read the DOM and stuff. It's hard to explain though in Teach because it's like a sixth sense type of deal where you just kind of watch it happen so many times and kind of know how that looks. So it's like you just get accustomed to being like, okay, like I know what this is. It's like a unique thing here, like whatever it is. So
I'm actually about to get in. I'm gonna bet on them. I'm betting on them defending the 70 level.
All right, yeah, you got a decent little pin there to work with.
What I'll do is, damn.
Fucking, what you'll do is chase now.
As I'm looking at it, I'm like, bro, they're defending this right here.
Oh my god, dude, look at this buying, bro. It's just crazy.
Oh my gosh. But now this is actually a great scenario on the 15-minute chart to anchor my risk.
Yeah, it is.
If I get in, I can get in long here. I can get in long. Matter of fact, that's what I'm gonna do. Because this is the pullback scenario I was actually waiting on.
Yeah.
Now, if I'll take a small stab here. Let me see, where should it be? It should be around 75. Either we get 75.
Where's your stub? What I don't like is we didn't even fully pull back to the 9 EMA. That's what I don't like.
Where's the 9 EMA?
Right below at 67s.
That's actually where my stop would be.
Yeah, exactly. You might get barely ticked.
Dang, this is a tricky spot.
It's
I want it around 72. If I can get in, I have a limit at 72. If I can't get in at 72 and we actually continue above 75 on this 5-minute chart, I'll get in at 75. I want 72 though. If I can get 72, that'll keep my risk pretty tight. If I get 75, it'll just be a standard entry. Well, you want to.
They look like they just want to break it out and go.
They do.
They're being tricky.
All right, I'm going to take it.
All right. Yeah, I mean, it could just, it's going. This RTY is just fucking going.
I got in small. I got in 3 contracts.
Okay.
Yeah.
What's your target?
That's determined based on the stop. Let me see what my stop is. My stop is gonna be set 67. So what is that? I'm at 75.50 minus 67, 8 points. Okay, so 75.50, 84. This is actually what I was looking for originally.
Okay.
If I can get that pullback, it's the same exact area.
See, this is the huge difference is trading I trade based on market structure, and you focus more on just what risk reward
Continuation.
continuation. Yeah,
Yeah.
but like how much you're risking, like the just R multiple, right? Like it
Yeah,
doesn't.
just the R multiple. I don't care anything about the. To be honest, I'm at a point. I don't even care about the R multiple, man. Like it to me, it's all about like the market scenario and what we're doing. If we're moving, I want to be moving with it, and that's really it.
Yeah.
And I think that just comes from me like looking at the DOM all day, because I'll see these areas where it's like they're defending 71, and as I'm looking at it, they spiked it back up to 75.
Yeah.
So,
dude, look at this 4 hour, bro. Oh my god, I just saw this.
It's just gone, bro.
It's so nice. This is really nice. We're doing only get 76 though up here. This looks like a better target. I should fucking add.
I'm actually about to add on mine. It's like this. 67 right there.
Give me a dopamine ding.
Yeah, this is a really good stop. If we can get, let me see. If we come down to 71, I'll add more. Actually, I want to add more here too.
Dun, 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 dun.
Hold it.
Hold up. Wait a minute.
Okay, I'll take it. All right. I'm in 5 contracts there. And looking to add more if we really start to push. Yeah.
Keep on going. So I told you I'm going to be in Miami. Actually, I'm coming to Fort Lauderdale.
Oh, you're going to be right here. You're going to be right.
Yeah, I'm going to stay in Fort Lauderdale. So the 27th of February through the 1st, which is just that weekend of March, I'm going to be in Miami. And then I'll be in Fort Lauderdale. I'm going to go just from Miami to Fort Lauderdale, just, up the street, basically, whatever it is. It's like 45 minutes, right? On, I think, Sunday till Wednesday. And then, like, Austin's flying out and, like, everyone's flying out. And, like, we're all going to kick it and, like, film content and, like, podcasts and shit like that. And then going to Cartagena, Colombia with Top One on Wednesday. Which will be
going to be fun.
Yeah.
We got to do something. We got to link up down here.
Yeah. Well, that's the plan. I mean, I'm just going to literally be just chilling. I'm going to fly Brooke out because Brooke's coming to Colombia. And so I'll just be with Brooke and we'll just be, all be chilling. Just whatever. Just filming content and just.
The vlog trader.
Yeah, but be
strong vlogger.
Strong vlogger. I got like a good little. So yesterday is my first day. Like, dude, yesterday was just so long. Like I said, because like vlogging is not too bad, honestly, because I have this thing, this fucking little pocket cam. It just makes it really easy just to be like, oh, turn it on and like like do my thing real quick. But I was just like before, just like, oh yeah, I got to remember to do it because it's like you're walking through like your whole damn day of what you're doing, and it just like I forget to be like, oh yeah, film this, and like that's what leads me to like not film or do anything. So, but yeah, kind of got the hang of it yesterday, and I was like, okay. I'm fucking with it. So doing it again today. The goal is I'm just going to keep filming stuff like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday a little bit. And then I'm going to put together on Thursday just like a week in the life vlog and then upload that every week pretty much to YouTube. So a lot of it's going to be behind the scenes stuff and just like, that sounds pretty cool. Like going into like my lifting and shit and like showing everyone that. But yeah, just a whole new thing of content.
I think lifting content will definitely be great for you because you're strong as shit.
Yeah, I think it would be cool to put on YouTube. I need to put it somewhere. I obviously put on my stories and stuff, but I don't like go into like detail with it. But yeah, it'll be cool to, post more of that stuff and go into it more. Chat, what's good, chat? Sorry, I haven't really checked on you guys in a minute. Got Jay talking price. What up, fam? Jordan, what's good? Good to see ya. Perp, where's Lawrence? Lawrence he might be on later this week, but he just doesn't really want to stream right now. Alejandro, dude, does everyone live in Florida? What the fuck, bro? Like when you come in, everyone's in Fort Lauderdale. Holy shit! Even Tanner, let's get a lift in when you come to Tampa. I'm down. Let's do it. Everyone thinks I live in Florida too because fucking Austin and all you guys. Yo, so you in Florida, right? And I'm like, no, I'm not. I'm in California. Extreme taxes. Okay.
Well, now we're pulling back to the.
Now you're pulling back. Yeah.
Now we're coming to the 71.
There's your little overshoot bullshit.
Wow, there it goes.
Yeah.
I mean, I still have the risk available.
Even me getting pulled back on here. We barely swept prior day high here.
Damn, this 15-minute chart. This 15-minute chart does not look good.
Yeah.
It looks like actually. This is where the conviction comes in. If I trust this level or not. Do I trust this level?
Just got to see what price does. That's really it.
Well, this is the area. This is the area I originally wanted to get in. I still have the risk on this trade is only 212. My max loss is 450, so I can add and be a part of the team that defends it. If some big market player is watching this, start defending it with me, guys.
I love you, dog, but no big dog is watching this.
They're watching.
Let's fuck over his sin-funded accounts.
No, they're watching. They're like, he's looking at the same thing we're looking at.
Let's chase his liquidity.
Let's defend him.
There we go.
71. You are getting run the fuck over.
Oh, dude, Fit. I'm super down for this, bro. Derek Lunsford. It's his new gym. What's his new gym called? I didn't even know he had. Dude, I don't follow him too much, honestly. He's like I know he's won Mr. Olympia a couple times now, but he's just not someone I'm a huge fan of. I don't know. I just don't follow his content. I know he's actually a great human. He seems like a good Christian man. He's strong in his faith. Like he seems like a good dude. I just don't follow his stuff too much. Drew, morning guys. Didn't watch the stream and call a small chunk of ES rip. Nice. On vacation in Florida. Everyone's in Florida. Everyone's in Florida.
Everybody's down here.
Everyone's in Florida, dog. Hard for me to trade on vacation. Yeah, don't worry about trading on vacation. It's good job catching a little piece. That's sick. I'm stoked you did. It's awesome. Champs Asylum. Or no, Elysium? Champs Elysium? I'll send you a page on IG. Okay, cool. You gotta send me on IG. Dude, I want to be surprised if this thing fucking fully reverses on me and takes me out. Honestly. If it does, I don't even care though. I'm just gonna
2 points to my stop loss, bro. I didn't add, thank God.
Did you get stopped?
No. I mean, it looks like I'm about to.
Yeah. So here's the 9 EMA. Here's what I'm talking about. Is it barely maybe overshoots and pins this and holds? Potentially.
See, if I'm watching the DOM right now, if we get some buyers to come back in and we reclaim 69.71, I'm adding. We reclaim 71, I'm just adding to this.
Yeah, I agree. So
and I know that this, I'll know I'm in the driver's seat and we're moving. But if we don't, and this 5 minute just continues lower and I get stopped out, I'll call it for the day, $200 loss, and I'll move on.
Yeah, that's cool.
But if we reclaim 71, I'm sending it.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, there's a market wizard on this stream. They're gonna say, hey, you know what? Let me join in.
I can tell Lance to watch it. Text him like, watch my stream.
No, don't tell Lance to watch it. Tell Lance to just full send it. That's like, just have him send it. If he joins, I know everyone will follow.
Oh god.
Treat it like crypto. Everybody's watching his wallet.
Mm-hmm.
It's such an underrated thing with crypto. Like you can just watch people's wallet execution and just join whatever they do.
Yeah. I know it's all public.
Yeah.
public but private. All right, RTY, stop being so. See, this is the problem with these really like RTY being really aggressive with targets is like it's just not the best, bro.
Just sweep. Just sweep. Just sweep and go. Just sweep and go. That's all I'm asking for. I'm probably stopped.
Yeah.
It's edging my stop loss though. Fucking point.
67.
Yeah, bro. It's edging me so hard right now. And that's it.
Yeah.
Damn. See, now I'm tempted to see if we pull back to yesterday's high to get in.
Yeah, Drew just said, Brian, keep an eye on 69, 63.50, that prior day high. Now New York VWAP and SPY VWAP is that location. Yeah, I like that.
Exactly. Okay. Thank you, Drew. Now I don't feel too bad.
Yeah, it's not bad.
I can see it. If we sweep there, I'll get in long.
Yeah, you need some sort of sweep or something or pin down into it.
I have the risk available, so hopefully
there's your overshoot.
Unless this was the fucking sweep, bro.
I mean, it was, yeah, it's kind of expected.
Wow.
Needs some sort of manipulation to trap everyone. Which, unfortunate on my screen, this was like the trap. If you inverse this, this is like a, you know, this is tricky. I need this pin to hold here, then us to continue higher in this next bar.
Yeah, this was the sweep.
See if the next 5-minute bar continues above it.
Yeah, if we get a, because that'll still be my 71.
Yep, yeah, you should be your 71.
The question is now where would my stop be? My top would have to be pretty tight. It would have to be that.
Have to be the low, but the thing is, you could get one more bar that continues lower, and then we come into VWAP and prior day high.
Yeah.
Honestly, it's kind of tricky.
Let me screenshot this before.
Still pretty tricky, in my opinion. It's taking me forever to finish my oats today.
Okay, I got that.
Yeah, this thing's coming to VWAP, bro. Prior to high, I feel like. Drew said it's tough when you're watching it rip to 69.70s and then you get these 5-minute bull flags and think of them as trick flags. Makes you think rip higher, then it pulls back. That's why I like having EMA. Yeah. The EMA, like EMA on days like today, I think actually like really helps when it's really strong. That's why I still have EMAs in my chart, but I just like, they're not like a strategy for me. They're just reference points. Where I'm like, okay, we're really strong. We're so strong that we can't even break, you know, the 9 or something like that. And that kind of gives me good context.
See, I don't have EMAs. So when you said 67s for the EMA, that was just where my stop would be. So I guess my stop was just in a very obvious place. They came down and they took that obvious stop. But now this looks good for a continuation higher. If it holds here and we get, if we get that break on 71, I'll get back in. I'll definitely get back in on a break of 71. What a stop loss. I'm sure still that.
Retesting the top of the structure here. Coming to VWAP on this. Yeah, Drew says it's not about the EMA, it's just a tool to help me slow down so I don't get faked out. That's good. That's exactly how it should be. When do you think you're being patient? Be more patient. When you don't think you can be any more patient, be more patient. It's true.
That's what I needed today. I thought I was being patient.
Yeah, I mean, dude, the straight up move these days, they're not my favorite. And honestly, I wish I could have traded with more size because I would have already been out of this RTY, bro. I would have just targeted prior day high and gotten the fuck out. Like,
I mean, you still could, even if it like.
well, here's but I already gave back so much of this move.
And you didn't use micros, so you're kind of like all in, all out.
Well, yeah, and that's the thing is like, I just know RTY like this totally might come back and just fucking take me out, dude, because like it has a move sometimes and then it kind of just dies. And everything right now is pulling back. So I wouldn't be surprised where like everyone is so comfortable sitting long from the morning that they just give this a dump. Like it's like it would not surprise me, honestly.
I don't think we dump. I mean, on the hourly chart, it definitely looks like a huge overshoot. Like a huge overshoot. 70 to about 77. Yeah. But I can see on ES, I can see if we hold here, and then it looks like it's going to pin. If we hold here, 64, we came down to 65. So that's basically the test of yesterday's high, of prior day's high. If we hold here and we get any type of continuation higher, I can see us just ripping to 7,000. Might take all day, but I can see it happen.
I mean, we got no news or anything. It just seems unlikely. It seems very unlikely. I feel like the move would just be dead and we can consolidate sideways.
Yeah, we're due for some type of consolidation, especially after a move like that. But I'm going to trust the level, and I'm going to get in if I get it.
Give us some buying. Bring back the buying.
Yeah, they're buying.
Buy it. Keep buying it. 30-minute pullback here into structure retest. Bro, I filmed a pretty funny reel yesterday. Well, there's only one funny part of it, actually. Everything else is just like whatever. But it's like everything I consume in a full day as a full-time trader and competitive power lifter. And just all the food and like, you know, supplements and shit like that.
Yeah.
And I have like a micro clip that's like 0.5 seconds of me with testosterone. And then it just like skips over it real quick. And so everyone's like, whoa, what was that? What was that? I'm like, what are you talking about?
You know those videos where it's like everything, or those pictures where it's like everything I eat, and then it has the food and everything, but just slightly in the back, you got the test.
Yeah, exactly. I was like, oh, that'll be pretty funny, actually.
Did you upload it?
No, I'm gonna upload it today. I finished filming it like late last night because I had to literally like document fucking everything I ate for the whole day. Dude, this is gonna stop me out, I think.
Nah.
Right into prior day high, then fucking barely overshoots, dude. Bullshit.
Nah. I think we continue higher.
It's not before it comes and stops me out of break even.
I don't think you have VWAP protecting you still. It could be another pullback. It could be another pullback.
Yeah, but VWAP is 1 point above my stop, bro. VWAP's at 59.
Well, you caught it on TPT, so that's all that matters.
Yeah, Drew, I agree on this small red bar. I do think you're correct on that. That's why, like, I would have just taken it into here, dude. Honestly, this is where the fucking green thing comes in. Like, I wanted to take it like target wise. I wanted to target here, but I only could trade one fucking contract. So here I was going to be up like $100 on the day, which honestly just feels like I didn't fucking do anything. Not gonna lie. I know it's not a professional mindset, but yeah, at the same time, I'm like, dude, you know, I'm trying to make some money, like, you know. So it's like that's what's frustrating about this is like I would have already been out of this in this big push. I would have been long gone, like I was in my TPT account. That's why I took that. Like, you know, it's my TPT account was great because I fucking took what I needed to do and got out on the strength. So it is what it is.
So we just pinned yesterday's high on ES.
we're bouncing off VWAP here and a little volume shelf that I have. So, and the retest of this structure.
Where is VWAP on ES for you? On yours or your EMAs?
57.47.
Okay. That's
And
what
then, but SPY VWAP is literally right here, basically. We're pretty much at SPY VWAP right now. It's subtly under the low of this bar, like, let's call it 63s.
Yeah.
Something like that. Oh, this is what I'm talking about. Give me a bullish engulfing bar here. That's what I'm talking about. Can't imagine making a new high a day on SPY. That's what that's what Jay says.
Can't imagine it.
Dude, you can imagine anything you want, bro.
I can imagine a new high.
I can only imagine when that day comes. Singing Christian songs, Christian gospels. Oh man!
In my head, we're already at 7,000 on SPY. That's what I imagine. I don't even see a high a day there.
Dude, one of my old roommates in college, I remember, like, he grew up going to church also, but like we weren't, like, I wasn't really into my faith that much at that time. But like he grew up going to church and like neither was he. And then like one morning, like he was like actually like kind of autistic. He still is, I guess, to this day. And like he just like remembers things and like he used to like sing in choir and he has a super deep voice. He's just fucking hilarious, dude. And like this one morning, I'm like getting ready for class, and he starts like, oh, he's like, remember this song, and he started singing like all these old Christian songs, and he's like following me around with the speaker around the house playing like gospels and stuff. And I'm like, dude, you're just hilarious.
He was making sure Jesus was with you.
He's making sure Jesus always been with me, bro. Even
he's making sure he was not letting you go the day without feeling that.
Even when I didn't realize it. I have old Snapchat saved of it where I'm like on my bike trying to go to school, and he's just like, surrounded by your glory. It's so funny. All right, give me a bullish close here.
That's what I'm waiting on. If we get a bullish close here, I'm coming back in.
We just barely tapped SPY VWAP finally and got the bounce here.
Yeah.
You got Q's basically at prior day high that bounced. Prior day high on SPY pretty much is right below it too. What if you get one more overshoot? I don't like this pin. I need this to close up here. No. No, no, no. $15.9. Man, I will say I love having a fast computer now because Thinkorswim just runs so smooth. So smooth.
The amount of resources it takes up, bro.
It's crazy. It's crazy how much it did. I don't even know how I used to run this back in the day on my like little fucking teeny MacBook Pro, and I had like no RAM or anything.
Bro, the thing is just ridiculous.
I literally had no idea how I was able to do it back in the day.
I try to run it on my Mac, and like it always shows up an error where it's like OS is not compatible or something like that. It still pulls up, but it just says it's not compatible based on how much resources they need. So then I have to like proceed anyway, and then it'll run. Yeah. But on my desktop, it's always fine.
Yeah, for sure. Computer will always it'll be strong most of the time.
All right, buyers. Turn back on your algos.
It's not looking too promising here.
No, it's actually looking like it's setting up for a dump.
Mm-hmm. I mean, you might get an overshoot here. You just have so much support, but you got prior day high below. You still got ES VWAP below. You got NQ prior day high right below. You got a QQQ VWAP. We're just sitting above all of it, obviously.
See, the thing is though, I feel like we've been above prior day high for so long, and we've defended it for what is this? Maybe almost 2 hours now since the open. If it comes back underneath, sellers are gonna like have some steam to really want to push this down.
I know, that's very true. Could happen
because this is it. This is the first line of defense.
It's all about those lines of defense. It's true.
Yeah. That thing you always say, support is support until it's no longer support.
Support remains support till it's no longer support.
I keep that in the back of my head all the time. That's why I'm still looking long.
Same shit with trend lines, dude. Like trend lines will trend. That's why like so many people like to play trend line breaks, but like that shit will just keep bouncing off the trend line until it doesn't bounce off anymore. And so that's why anticipating breaks of trend lines or anticipating breaks of support, it's kind of like a rookie move, honestly. It's like just stay with the trend until we actually break and you have a system to kind of like objectify that and understand like, what that looks like. But otherwise, just fucking trade the trend. Yeah, you get bearishly engulfed here.
It's so hard to use trend lines on futures because it pulls back so much.
Yeah.
To where it's like, what time frame do you use it on? Okay, we just broke yesterday's high. So now, do we sweep or do we dump?
Yeah, here's the question. Yeah. You got QQQ VWAP and prior day high confluence right here with an overshoot. I'd look to get long here. This would personally be a long set for me.
I'm not looking short at all. Like there's no short in my playbook for today.
Yeah.
I feel like that's the hero.
You also got you got ES VWAP and prior day high that are pretty close.
I'm not looking to be a hero today.
Are you gonna get involved around 58s right here?
This is not where I wanted.
Okay.
I mean, 57s maybe. 57. Okay. Yeah, I'll get in here.
I like this. If you're gonna attempt it, I would say attempt it here, and then your stop is at.
I actually do like it here.
Yeah, this is a good area to try it. Honestly,
I do like it here. Okay. Come on.
If I was gonna try it, I would try it right here.
Right here.
Okay. You got a lot of potential area for support here. Where'd your stop be though?
Stop has to be really tight. It's going to be just under that breakout candle of the opening range high. So it would be
51.
Yeah. 50. It'd be 1 point under 52. So 51. Yeah, exactly 51.
Okay. I like that. I think that's fair.
That's the only area that it makes sense. Yeah. And that actually puts me just under my max daily risk. I actually think one of my accounts can't support it, so that may be the only thing. But a 1-to-1 on this would be around 67. Okay, that's not bad actually.
Yeah, it's not bad at all.
Yeah. We can get 67. That's actually.
If this holds, I think you can get. I don't know if you're gonna get a new high today, to be honest, but I feel like you could get like.
It can go to high a day.
I think you could go. Yeah, it could get close to high a day. Yeah, like maybe 72s or like 73s, something like that.
The smart thing to do is on the account that I have more leverage on. I'm actually gonna size down on that.
Nice.
Yeah. That way I
can. Or again, dude, the other scenario is like everyone got so comfortable with buying and now they completely just flip it the other way. Unfortunately, that could be the other scenario here.
If it happens, it happens.
Yeah. It's good. That's good mindset, good attitude though. I like that. If it happens, it happens. Just like me about to get sopped here. Can't believe it. So strong all morning.
I actually feel like that's a bad stop.
Dude, if this stops me right here,
I feel like the stop needs to be under 50. I feel like that's the most logical area.
dude, this might seem crazy to some. I'm going to do something wild right now.
Order
I'm
filled.
getting out of this. I'm going to MNQ. I like this long on MNQ.
You're gonna get long.
Yeah,
Order filled.
literally, this is literally what I'm doing right here.
Oh
I'm
shit!
stop below here at 500.
Balls of steel.
This is literally what I'm doing right now.
Right there.
Fuck RTY, bro, on that pullback. I like this pullback into VWAP here. This is perfect. It's the overshoot on MNQ. Yeah, it's
we might have the pullback to VWAP.
right. That's what I'm saying. NQ
This
pullback to
is
VWAP. That's why I'm like, dude, this will make me more
VWAP.
money too. If this holds. If it holds.
Okay. Let me see. What would be a
If
is the big thing. If
yeah.
75. Oh, higher day. If we came back up to higher day, that would be a 2R on this.
I wonder if this could get 800 on NQ.
So
That would be real nice if that's the scenario.
75, 76. Okay.
R2I just pinned. Hold VWAP. Hold VWAP.
It's gonna hold.
R2I is pinning real nice.
There's a lot of support here on the DOM.
Microstructure to look at.
57 is that area where this is where they turned on their algos earlier. This was exactly where we were.
You're right. This is exactly where they did turn them on. This is the retest.
Is the area that happened.
Retest defending it. Let's see the retest defend. You're right. 100%.
Yeah.
Give me 800, bro.
Come on, go ahead and show up for us today.
Show up for us, exactly.
Show up for us today. I'm telling you, there's a big player in here right now.
There's a big dog in here right now, pinning this shit, ripping
it.
it.
We know that you're here, just to give us a little hope, guys.
Oh man, dude, this is the pullback to VWAP in a nutshell. This, even if this fails right here, I'm not even gonna be upset because it's exactly my system, my playbook, my setup. If it fails, I'm just like, all right, it's a failed setup. It happened to be a failed one, but this is everything that my system says to do. On NQ,
I would be highly upset if we failed here.
Look at this NQ pullback to VWAP right here, right? And you retested the structure. You got confluence. We overshot prior day high. If we can reclaim it, this is exactly what I would want to see and need to see. Follow through. No, don't go down. Don't go down.
It's following through, all right.
Don't follow through to the downside.
Trust me, it's following through. It's like, yeah, we're following through. Not for you, but we're following through.
Yeah.
I'm getting off of like a winter sickness.
Oh yeah.
I don't know why I feel like my stop has to be under 50, man. I feel like my stop at 51 is just.
I feel you on that a little bit.
That's like the obvious place, putting it at 51.
I don't have the risk to work with, unfortunately.
I don't even know if I have the risk to do it because my max loss is 450. So
fucking bounce, bro.
Let me see.
Fucking bounce.
So I'm at 226.75.
Need follow through to the upside here on this view up bounce.
223.
They're
I
just
don't
really,
have the risk for it.
yeah.
I mean, I do. I have it. I have enough risk to put it at 69.50.25, which is like, what the fuck? Why would I do that?
Yeah.
Such a bad area. I accept it.
Dude, they might just completely run this over. I'm telling you.
Yeah,
That's the problem when it's so strong in the morning like that, is like they get everyone too comfortable, and then every logical place for a pullback, they just keep pulling it back, and they run everyone over. That's what I dislike a lot.
sellers are definitely in control here. They're the only thing defending this for me right now that I can see on the hourly chart is that we have a low at 54.75, the 10 a.m. low.
Mm-hmm.
And that 10 a.m. low lines up with the opening range high.
Mm-hmm.
So if it's going to defend, this is the area it has to defend. If
It has to defend right here, bro.
it doesn't defend here, we're pretty much cooked. There's nothing we can do.
Yeah, it's like it's pretty cooked. Pretty cooked. It'd be like right. I think I only have the risk for that. That's exactly how much risk I have. 59.50. Let's see if it holds.
10 a.m. high.
This is where you're supposed to bounce. This is how you're supposed to do the thing.
You know how the market is.
These sellers are heavy, dude. These are pretty heavy. I don't know if this is going to bounce at all. There's nothing happening except for just continued pounding.
And it's fucking thin here too.
Yeah.
It is thin. Between 656 down to 52 is nothing on the dot.
I need some microstructure to work with. Something. Okay. Maybe that's my turtle soup I needed. Boom. Rip it higher.
Turtle soup. What are you, ICT now?
Yeah, isn't that what the cool kids talk about?
I have no idea, bro. I probably should be looking into it just to see. Their things work. But I don't know anything about ICT. I've heard who's the guy who says that? Justin Werlin?
Yeah.
Justin Werlin says that all the time.
Dude, they're just selling this, bro. This isn't gonna work, I don't think. There's no bounce. There's just no fucking bounce at all.
Well, let's give it a second.
I mean, yeah, I'm gonna let it trade, but it's not looking good. I'm almost stopped here.
We're not wrong until we're wrong.
Like a hair away from being stopped.
It'll hold.
It's too heavy.
It'll hold.
They're gonna dump this all the way down.
It'll hold. I've had price edge my TP by a tick. So I always believe it could edge my stop loss by a tick.
Order filled.
Okay, doesn't matter. I got fucking raped. All right.
How's RTY? Did RTY at least hold or no?
Yeah, RTY is bouncing. Oh, that's annoying. But whatever. I made 10 grand last night. Who gives a fuck, dude? These funded accounts are retarded anyways. All right. Well, that's it for me. This live account's almost dead, dude. That's pretty much it.
What is your max loss on it?
I only got $1,300 left and it's done. Go back to Sim.
No,
I got super cooked when I was trading really bad in December on it, dude. That's what keeps happening is like I get to live and then conditions go really, really bad. And then I just get cooked.
Man, that's what happened to me with my trade buys. December was just terrible.
Yep.
December was like, bro, this is the fucking filler episode, bro, on life.
Continuously happening, bro.
We might hold here. We might hold here on ES.
We might.
Do it for me. Prove me right that you can edge a stop loss.
I don't know, dude. I think this thing might fully just sink. What's your stop at? 51?
51, man. 51. I'm not wrong until I'm wrong. My entry was at 59, and we're fucking bouncing.
Dude, I literally got stopped out by fucking half a tick here.
That was a very obvious stop. Like placing the stops 1 point or like a few inches, a few ticks underneath those expansion bars, I feel like are so obvious. And that's what's getting run over, which creates the liquidity for it to continue to go down.
Yeah.
That's why I really want my stop at under 50. Because I feel like it'll come to 50, but it won't break through. Damn, bro, we're not bouncing at all.
See, I told you this is just heavy, dude. This exactly like I said. Like
Bro,
when they see, like when they do this shit in the morning when it's so aggressive and too obvious, this scenario is like
everything. You're gonna get back everything.
Need to journal this, dude. It's just like this is just classic. I've seen this scenario so many times, bro. That's what pisses me off. Like you don't know until the moment of like what's happening. Obviously, that's why trading's hard. But it's like when this was just going and going, I'm like, this makes no sense. It's just going and going, and then finally everyone's like, okay, well, it's really strong. It's going to go up today, and then they just completely reverse it, and they're going to nuke everyone. The shit's going to come down to low a day.
Oh my gosh, it fucking came down to 50, bro.
Yeah, that's it. It's done.
Yeah, this is it. Whatever. There's nothing you can do about a situation like this. For us to give back 27 points is just wild.
Is what it is. No news.
Yeah.
Oh well.
And now we're probably gonna bounce here. Now that I'm out, we're gonna bounce.
Of course, that's how it always works, bro.
You know, stop at 50 was.
Yeah. All right. Well, you got stopped, right?
Yeah.
All right. It is what it is. That's it. We're gonna wrap up here. I'm frustrated, so I'm gonna go not be frustrated somehow. That's what we're gonna do. We're locked out, thank God, so I can't screw anything up. But it is what it is. Wow, 2 red days in a row. Not the best start the year. But this is why trading's crazy though too. It's like, dude, part of me like almost thinks like, I don't even like trading New York session anymore. Like I'm like, I've been trading Asia really good. I'm like, why do I even trade New York, bro?
New York session lately is just so. It's just terrible conditions, man. It's like we're not getting any follow through whatsoever.
Yep.
Like this is a V-shaped recovery to the downside.
Yep.
Like, look at this.
I'm telling you, this is because the scenario. They get everyone all comfy. Okay, well, we're gonna keep going. Then nope, then they just lock everyone up. So, all right, guys, we're gonna end the stream there. That's it. Thanks y'all for joining.
Peace.
Peace.